Okay, the swivel seat, my favourite seat. So there's a couple of steps that you need to follow to be able to spin this chair around so you can face back in towards the cabin. The first thing is using the seat's lever that you use to slide it backwards and forwards. You pull it all the way to the front. Then underneath the seat, you'll feel the red lever. You need to pull this upwards. This unlocks the swivel and allows you to turn the seat. Once you've turned it, you keep following that round. It's very easy, and that keeps you facing in towards the cabin. When you're in the seat, you can use that lever that you use to slide the seat back and forth. Use that same lever to bring yourself backwards if you want to create a bit more space in the cabin. Lovely.